Important things to know in making a school publication or a school paper. So first is the cover page. So cover page is the face of your school publication. So it must be eye-catchy. So you can use a current trends or from national or from local trends. Next, news. Okay, so that is the second part. So in this section, it must contain a community event. So events that related from community to the school, or an event in the community in where the school is located. Next part is the editorial section. So it must contain a national issues to local or school issues. So it will have a flow from national down to local or school issues. Next, science section. So combination of news and features stories about science. So the scope of this section, example, students investigatory projects, so you can use that. Health issues, gulayan sa paaralan is also a very good example. And the canteen, etc. So take note, use the latest science discoveries. Next part, the feature section. So use a true life stories. So it must be clear, true life stories. Next, sport section. So in this section, must contain more action. So if we are talking about sports, you can use picture or videos or photos. So see to it that it contain more action. So that's it. Thank you guys.